Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. So, as you saw by the title of this, in OTC, who is worse, the basher or the pumper? So, if you trade OTC stocks, and if you go on any of these forums, you clearly know who the bashers are. And, don't get me wrong, somebody who sits on the computer every day and just beats down these stocks, we know the agenda. But, if you want my opinion on this, who really is worse? And I know some of you are going to get mad, and that's okay. You'll probably give me a thumbs down on this video, and honestly, it doesn't bother me. You might not even unsubscribe if you're a subscriber. It doesn't bother me. I make my money trading, so I can be truthful with you here. I don't have to play in to anything to keep anybody around. So if, as a trader, if you want the truth, and especially the ones who take my course, this is the best way possible, really. Basically, when there's no financial interest in this for me at all. So, to be honest with you, I think the pumpers are worse. Because, with the bashers, if anything, they're just trying to shake you out of your stock. So, either you're locking in gains, or, you're just taking those losses and moving on, whatever it is that you end up doing after that. The reason why I say the pumpers, though, is a lot of people get caught up on these pumpers in these forums. And it's easy to believe the person who is telling you what you want to hear. And if you step back and look at the grand picture in a lot of these OTC stocks, you'll realize that really probably 98% of them fail in everything they do. That's just the reality here. And if you know how to trade OTC stocks, you can make a lot of money. But a lot of people lose a lot of money in OTC because they get caught up with emotions. They want to believe these CEOs or these PRs that you can pay to say whatever you want. You and I could contact these companies and put a PR out for whatever stock you're in, and you can say whatever you want. So, like I said, bashers will shake you out of your stock, make you doubt it, whatever it may be. And that's where it comes onto you to actually do the research. With the pumpers, man, they come up with just so much speculation. And some of the stuff that you'll hear, man, it sounds great. It will make you believe if you honestly didn't do research. People will tell you, it's time to buy this stock right now. This stock is going to go up to $10 per share. And the stock is a penny or whatever it may be, or even less. And to be honest, that just simply isn't true. So then you have these people, when this pump is going on, who are buying in very high. And then it drops on them. So now they're holding bags up here, and the price, it's down here. And for them, it just seems like this price is never going to go up. But they continue to stay in this stock as it just keeps getting worse, causing them to lose more money. Because they keep believing the people who are saying, no, we're looking good here. This is your chance to buy these cheapies, or, one big saying is, oh, I'm loading up today, or I loaded up today, I bought this many shares, this is definitely going up into the dollar range, and they'll just keep telling you all this stuff, and this makes so many people just continue to stay in as this stock is tanking. And the truth is, those pumpers, they ain't holding on to that. They already sold for the profit. And when that tanked, they bought so much more. They bought it off of your misfortune. You believe them, they're flipping it. That's the simple truth. And anybody who would argue with me in this, I mean, you can deny it all you want, just so you don't believe it. But anybody who really trades, they know how the game is played. Trust me. And so that's why I say the pumpers are the worst ones, because they're the ones that actually cause a lot of people, with their speculation, feeding them hope to stay in. Now, in the end, whose fault is it really? It is the trader's fault, because they are the one who didn't do the research on their own. They are the one who actually bought the shares and decided not to sell. So the trader is at fault, but I think the pumper is the worst one, between the bashers and pumpers. And with the bashers, a lot of them just make up crap. I mean, it works out for a lot of them, for whatever agenda they're playing. I have my own theories on it, but there's really no point of talking theories on here. But just be careful. That's what I'm saying. And like I said, some people are gonna hate this. I'm sure a lot of people will just give this thing a thumbs down. Do just passive aggressive stuff, write crap, comments, I don't know, unsubscribe. It don't matter. I make my money trading. It's not gonna affect me. But if you want real truth, and if you've been following me for a while, I'm the person. So, anyways, I hope this opens somebody's eyes out there. Just do your own research. Really, that's what it comes down to. Don't believe people when they say that this penny stock is going to go up into the dollar ranges. It's just simply not going to happen for literally like 98% of the OTC. So, hey, appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next one.